Hi guys, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. Now for today's video, in the spirit of the holidays and gift giving, we're going to be talking 5 designer handbags for beginners. And this is for people who perhaps you're looking to gift yourself something really nice for Christmas. You're not sure where to start from. You like designer handbags, but you really don't know which one will be best for you, or you've never really dabbled into that and you want to have a taste of something small first before you work your way up. Or if you're wanting to buy something for someone else as a gift, you want to splurge a little bit and you're not sure what that person will like, or that person doesn't typically buy designer, and so you want something that they can start with, have a feel for, get used to, see if they like it, and then grow from there. So I'm going to be giving you guys my list of 5 beginner handbags within an affordable price range, but makes for great gift giving and will help whoever the owner is learn more about designer. And all of the bags on my list are priced below $200 US. Even better if you can find them on sale. And as usual, I will link all of the bags I mentioned in today's video in the description box below. If they're on sale, I'll tell you they're on sale. Otherwise, they're still all under $200 US. Now, my first recommendation, of course, I'm going to go to with my favorite contemporary designer, and that is the Coach Outlet Teri shoulder bag. I absolutely love that bag. It is actually currently on my wish list. Hopefully I'll be able to get it before the end of the year, but we'll see how that goes. Now, I just love the style of that bag. It is a beautiful shoulder bag that tucks in really nicely under your arm. Depending on which variation you buy, you can either have a full leather shoulder strap or a chain shoulder strap with a leather break. Personally, I believe that the chain and leather combo strap is the most beautiful, takes the bag style up a notch, makes it look a little bit more elegant. You can dress the Teri bag up or down. It's really very versatile. It also holds a decent amount of items and you can wear it crossbody. So it can be used in multiple ways and for multiple occasions. It comes in several colorways. At this point, Coach Outlet is releasing it in different colors for different seasons, but they also do have their classic staples. So I mean the colors in the classic signature monogram canvas print, the dark brown and the light brown. They have white, they have it in black, like a whole lot of variation. The recent ones they did for the party or holiday bag collection that they released earlier in November has a really nice chain with a really good weight to it. Full chain strap, and I think it is just absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking to gift yourself or someone else a starter designer handbag for the season, definitely look to the Coach Outlet Teri shoulder bag. Number 2 recommendation for a beginner bag will be the Marc Jacobs the Tote bag. Now this one is a bestseller. Many people have it and the consensus is it is a great bag. Now the beautiful thing about this style bag is that it is a tote bag, and there are quite a number of people that need like larger sized bags to put a number of things in. So again, it can work for multiple occasions and situations. It can work as a book bag for school. It can work as a work bag. Depending on the size you buy, it can work as an everyday bag as well. So it comes in various sizes: the mini, the small, the medium, the large, and even the small is not that small. Like for a small size bag, it holds a generous amount. Another thing that I know many people love about the Marc Jacobs tote is that it has a zipper top. So it's not an open tote. If you don't like or if you're not sure if the person you're buying for likes open or closed, it has that zipper option. So whoever you're gifting it to can choose to leave it open if they want, or they can zip it closed if that is their preference. Again, this particular style comes in several different colors. You can find it on different retail websites, and I'm definitely going to link all options I can find. I actually prefer buying from 24S because they have the best deals for Marc Jacobs totes or Marc Jacobs style bags in general. So I'll link 24S below with all their options of the Marc Jacobs tote, as well as the Marc Jacobs website itself. And number 3 recommendation is one that I do have myself, and that is the Kate Spade Little Better Sam bag. I absolutely love this bag. I have raved about it several times. In fact, you know what, I'm going to link all my previous videos where I mentioned this bag in the description box below, so you can go and watch that as well. The fact that it's nylon makes it durable. It's also a shoulder bag, so very similar in style to the Teri. The strap drop is longer than on the Teri, so if you don't like a tight fit under the armpit, or if you're not sure if the person you're buying it for will like that tight fit, then the Little Better Sam is a better option. Love this, love the thick fabric shoulder strap. This, however, is not as versatile because it does not come with a crossbody strap, but you can attach whatever strap you want on it because it does have the holes here the hardware with holes here. So I have attached crossbody straps on it on several occasions. I currently have this chain strap here from my Coach Beat bag just as a decorative piece. So it is a plain black bag, but you can change it up in different ways. Add a bag charm, use a scarf. Like, you can really dress this bag up because it's plain. It's like a blank canvas, so you can do whatever it is. It is so versatile. It holds much more than you think. Because it's nylon, it has the capacity to expand. It definitely holds more than your everyday items, but at the same time it is sleek. It's not, there's no logos, so not many people would know instantly that this bag is designer, but it still looks very, very chic and elegant. This one also comes in different colors and prints, but I will personally recommend the black because I just think that that is the most versatile. All right, now the fourth bag I'm recommending today is more a style, like a general silhouette rather than one particular bag, and that is a camera style bag. Now, camera style bags are very popular. So many design houses, if not at this point all design houses, probably have camera style bags. I would say the more popular designer options are YSL and Gucci. For contemporary designer, I do recommend Coach. I think Coach is even better than the luxury designer brands when it comes to their camera bags. This particular version you can still find on the outlets in the reserve section, and I will link that below. But they do have a different style. This is just a little bit different. The turn lock is now just the Coach C. But what I like camera bags is they're very easy to use, especially for everyday. They're also very sleek and a classic style. They will never go out of trend. And then depending on which brand you buy from, they're not very noticeable as designer bags. They usually maintain a sleek and low-key appearance, and so that's great. So even if it's like the YSL camera bag you buy, it's not really recognizable for people who don't know it. So it's kind of like, for camera bags, it's kind of like an if you know, you know situation. Coach Outlet also offers various camera bag options that I personally like. I will link all of that below as well. So yeah, definitely another versatile, great beginner option, great introduction to designer. That way, whoever you're gifting can have a feel for quality and leathers and just learn more about hardware and styles and quality options from design houses. Finally, my last recommendation is also somewhat a category and not one specific bag, and that is Polene. Polene is a designer that I have not tried personally myself, but I've heard only good things about the brand. Like, I have not heard one bad thing about Polene. If you have any experience with Polene, please drop a comment below. Let's all learn and see. I'm yet to find one person who has one bad thing to say about the brand. Now, many people love Polene leather, and I'm all about leather. Like, when it comes to handbags and the type of handbags I like, I gravitate towards high quality leather, and so Polene is really calling my name. However, I don't have one yet, but I'm soon to buy one, and trust that I will bring you an unboxing of that when I do, and as well as my impressions and thoughts and review of the bag. Now, I would recommend Polene as a first designer handbag for anyone because of the quality of leather and then the affordable price points. Now, I did say that this video was $200 and below, so I will link the Polene bags that I like that are below $200, but I know that there's a bunch of Polene bags that are above the $200 mark but below $500, so those are an option as well. Because Polene is not as mainstream or as well known as many other contemporary and luxury designers, it's great as a starter bag because then whoever is the owner of the bag can enjoy the quality, the craftsmanship, and that way they can get their feet wet in the designer handbag space. Definitely recommend Polene bag. Now, if there's any other bag that you can think of that I've not included in my list today, please drop it in the comments below. Maybe you'll be able to give someone else an idea on what it is they can buy for a friend, a sister, or mom, or even for themselves. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to hit the tiny notification bell beside the subscribe button so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. If you're looking for more gift ideas, I just put together a list of the best designer gifts under $100 that you can buy for anyone, and I'll leave that video right here so you can watch it right now. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.